Good day! In this video, we are going to do a coordinate geometry question where we are going to find the equation of line given a coordinate and is perpendicular to another line. So to do that, we are first going to sketch the diagram, okay? So if you have a line, suppose this line is y equals to minus 3x plus 5. We want to find the equation of this line that is perpendicular to that line and it passes through to 5. So to do this, it's quite straightforward and we are going to learn the technique, okay? So the formula to calculate the gradient, this is M1, the gradient of this line is going to be M1 and the gradient of that is going to be M2. They have a particular relationship when they are perpendicular. M1 multiplied by M2 is going to be -1. Or, in other words, M2 is equal to -1 over M1. So the gradient of this line is going to be, gradient M1 is going to be -3. So the gradient of the M2 is going to be -1 over -3, and the answer is 1/3. Okay, so if we know the gradient is 1/3, okay, and we know the point 2 and 5, then you can label them as x1 and y1. We can do the normal finding line equation of the line by using the formula y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. And the last step, we just need to substitute the numbers and we are ready to solve the equation. So y1 is 5 and x1 is 2 and the gradient is 1/3. So y minus 5 equals to 1/3 x minus 2. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to simplify them. Okay, so they're going to be y minus 5 equals to 1/3 x minus 2 over 3. And of course, we need to get rid of this 5. We add 5 on both sides of the equation. So y equal to 1/3 x minus 2/3 plus 5, or simplify 15 over 3. So simplifying that, you get y equals to 1/3 x plus 13 over 3. And to get rid of the 3, we can multiply everything by 3. And the answer is 3y equals to x plus 13. And normally this is an achieve, or it could also be a merit in some cases. So we shall do a more difficult example. And the next example is the following, okay? It's not so straightforward, so we shall solve this. What is the equation of line that passes to 2, 4? So we draw the line again. 2, 4, okay? This is the line we want to find, okay? So it's going to pass to 2, 4. And then it's perpendicular to the line that passes to 1, 3. This is the line that passes to 1, 3. This is not accurate, it's just a sketch, okay? And 7 minus 5, okay? So what we're going to do, remember, we need to find M1 and M2. So we need to find the gradient of this line first. So gradient M1 is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay? So what we're going to do, this is x2, y2, this is x1, y1. So we take minus 5 minus 3. So it's going to be minus 5 minus 3. And at the denominator, it's going to be 7 minus 1. And you use the calculator, it's going to be minus 8 over 6. And then it's simplified to minus 4 over 3. So your gradient for M2, this next line here, the gradient we want to find, M2 is going to be minus 1 over M1. So it's going to be minus 1 over minus 4 over 3. And you put your calculator, should be answer to be 3 over 4. The gradient of that line is 3 over 4. So once you know the gradient and you know the coordinate x1, y1, okay, or x, whatever x you want to put, you're going to use the formula y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1, and we are going to find the equation of the line, okay? I can bring it up a bit, okay? So now substitute y minus 4, your y1 is 4, gradient is 3/4 x minus 2. Now we simplify them. So y minus 4 equals to 3/4 x minus 6 over 4. Okay? So now we're going to add 4 on both sides because we want to get rid of this 4. So y equals to 3/4 x minus 6 over 4 plus 16 over 4, because 16 over 4 is the same as plus 4. And then we're going to simplify them. So the answer is going to be y equal to 3/4 x plus 10 over 4. And you simplify them, it's just going to multiply 4 throughout. 4y equal to 3x plus 10. Okay, so hopefully you get this answer right. And I hope you understand how to do this. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers everyone. Have a great day.